In this video, we unbox and review the M1A2 Abrams by Heng Long. In the box, you will get oil for the smoke machine, a battery, the laser tag module. Big shout out to the guys at Rochester RC for showing me this in action.
Oh, you killed me.
The USB charger. And a target for the gun. Now the boring bit's out of the way, it's now time to review it. As you can see, it's got a moving turret, and yes, it's got a machine gun. And it's got a working BB gun. It's pretty easy to use once you know how to do the controls, so I've got another video coming out in a couple of weeks where I'm going to show you how to program the controller and make it do all these awesome things. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. It has two different engine sounds, turbine and diesel. Diesel's probably my favourite. When it's on the diesel engine mode, it's got different sounds even on the guns. And after a quick read of the instructions, I figured out how to turn the lights on and off. And this is the smoke machine. It's sick. It actually smells like real petrol. Or diesel, I don't know what these things run on. Leave a comment if you know. Right, to sum things up, this is an absolute brilliant tank. They've knocked it out of the park. And yeah, I can't think of anything bad apart from the accessories falling off. Like, hang on, I'll zoom in. Like that cage thing and that block. Yeah, the only thing I would say is that. So, yeah, it's absolutely brilliant tank. For the price, you kind of expect that. Over 300 quid on something that only goes like 2 miles per hour. Yeah, that is a bit of a weakness as well. But apart from that, it's got metal tracks, metal gears. It's going to last forever. I might get the modification kit so I can make the turret go 360 degrees, because it goes like all the way back and then it gets stuck. So yeah, and it clicks, and every time it clicks, it makes weird noises as it moves. Like it's like the gears grinding away. So that might be a good upgrade. And yeah, so I'll make that video of the controller and how you can make it do all the amazing things, because I've only shown you a little bit of what this is capable of in this video, and there's so many cool things I want to show you guys that this thing can do. So thanks for watching this video. I was going to do 2 videos this week, but I'm going to save the second one for next week because I'm going to be filming the Hypergo video in Dorset. So yeah, so while I'm in Dorset, you'll have a nice video to watch, and I'll hopefully have a short out the week after, because we're away for 2 weeks, and then the week after that, the Hypergo video will be out and everything will be kind of back to normal. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe.